Hey, this is LeAnne with the Expert Real Estate Team. So while some of us can hop right on a tablet and just start working away immediately, others need a little help, and that's okay. So what Bill Vickery is going to teach us is how he works and how he teaches seniors to overcome their fears of technology. Let's take a listen.
They're afraid to touch the screen because they don't know what it does. This is a generation that didn't grow up with technology. Now, the cool thing is they come to the classes because they want to learn. Or they come because their kids told them they have to, and this is the worst thing ever. A lady came to me and said, well, my son gave me this and he told me I had to use it. That's the worst thing ever. Because there's so much pressure on that person to want to learn it. And in this one case that I can remember, this lady was physically upset. She said, I don't want to do this, but my kids are telling me I have to. I said, you're 85 years old. You're at the point in your life that this should not be putting that much stress on you and making you so upset. Just tell them it's not for you. Go get your flip phone and life is good. But they're afraid of it. A lot of times getting used to the touch screen itself is different because one, they may have a physical or health issue, but it's just an unnatural thing that before they would turn or push, and now this is this touch and gesture on the screens that is totally different. I take them at a pace that it's a little slower. They take notes in their handwriting so that however they take notes, then it'll be easier for them to remember, and then they have a reference document to go back to later. But I do one-on-one classes as well as group classes. I'm working with a lady right now in Spartanburg that I go to her house one day a week and sit on her couch in the living room and walk her through. So the number one thing I teach and I am passionate and wave the flag every day is scams. Phone scams, digital scams, because I hear stories, sad stories every day that bad people are doing bad things to good people. So my number one tip to anyone is if you don't know who it is on the phone, you don't answer the phone. And it stops phone scams immediately. Sure. But in the case of seniors, they're not as familiar with the technology, they may be lonely, they may have a senior moment, and they answer the phone, and now they open themselves up for a potential bad thing to happen. My job is to make you more confident in using your technology. So the best way to find me is just call Bill, 864-621-0224. You can find me on Facebook, just call Bill Page, or you can Google, just call Bill, and I'm the first one that comes up. It's under Vickery Management Group because I have a company that does everything, but under services it says just call Bill. There's usually my calendar on there, there's some testimonials, and but I'm a phone call away.
So normally when there's not a pandemic going on and we have to all stay home, Bill is a lot of times at Malden Senior Center, he's at Furman, he is at Wofford teaching. So until he resumes those classes, you can catch him online or just call Bill and find out how he can assist you to achieve your goals of learning how to use technology. So if you like what we're doing, hit subscribe below, and we look forward to catching you on the next video.